Hi, we spoke a little earlier about some carpet steamers and extractors that have been on the market and that are very effective for what they do. This, however, is a hard surface steamer or extractor. This is what they call a hard surface floor scrubber. This is very effective, particularly if you have tile with some grout areas. This does a very nice job at cleaning those areas. How this particular product works, these brushes scrub in a soapy solution onto your hard surfaces, breaking the dirt that's on the linoleum, tile, or hard surfaces, breaking that up, and then this area sucks it up. So these type of cleaners would be very effective in a home that has some hard surfaces, and this would be in lieu of using a conventional mop that most of us used for many years. A lot of people are going to this type of cleaner where they're actually cleaning and sucking up all the solution and dirt in one operation. It is very effective, very easy to do, and it cuts your cleaning time significantly.